Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn about link components. So guys, we're going to create a navbar to learn about link components. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first of all here I'm going to open this. So guys, here I have opened the terminal, and guys here I'm going to run yarn dev. Now guys, here I'm going to close this, and guys now here I'm going to open a browser. So guys now here I have opened the browser, and guys now here I'm going to open the localhost 3000. So guys here I have opened the localhost 3000, and guys now you can see this, and guys now here we have to go to our website, and guys here we have to open public, and here we have to go to index.js, and guys now from here main we will cut all of these to the footer, and guys now here I'm going to change this title to the blog, and guys here you also I'm going to cut this, and guys from here, and guys now here you can see this header. So guys this header is like HTML header. So guys in this header we can put description, also title, and guys also we can put icons. So guys also we can change our favicon icon using this head. So guys you can see this, and guys now this is a black screen, but guys I don't want to use this black screen. So guys that's why I'm going to go to styles and home Mozilla CSS, and guys I'm going to delete all these, and guys now here I'm going to cut this, and guys now here we have to go to global.css, and guys now here we have to comment these, and guys now next here you can see this, but guys here we have to put margin 0 and padding 0, and guys now here we have done enough for global.css. Now guys now here we will create a folder called components. Here we have to create a navbar.js file. Guys here we have to use this. Now guys here I'm going to link this navbar over here. So guys this is simple React syntax. You can see this is simple React syntax, and guys now here we have to now here I'm going to create a navbar. So guys you can see here if I write h1 hello world, you can see hello world. So guys here now here we will create a navbar, and guys here we will put logo, and guys logo will be simple anchor tag, and guys here blog, and guys now you can see nothing. Now you can see this, and guys now here I'm going to create another div called item. Now guys now here we have to write ul and li, and over here we have to write a, and guys now here we have to write home in anchor tag, and guys now here I'm going to copy paste this, and guys here home about contact. Here I'm going to zoom this, and guys you can see this contact blogs. And guys now here over here you can see this, and guys now here we have to use CSS. So guys now here let's see how we can use CSS. So as you can see in NextJs, here we have to import this, and guys now here we will create another CSS file called navbar.module.css. And guys now here we have created another CSS, and guys here now I'm going to copy this, and guys now here I'm going to paste this over here, and guys now here I'm going to change this to navbar, and guys now here we have to write like this: styles dot navbar. Here we have to write like this here over here in class styles dot logo, and here so this class will be styles dot item. And guys now here like this we can use now guys like this we can use our style. Yeah, guys, just remember, first of all here we have to use our class. Now guys, next then we can use any HTML components, any HTML tags. And guys now here I'm going to and now here I'm going to put this like this, and guys now here I'm going to use the style, and guys you can see this, and here I'm going to close this, and guys now here I'm going to select this over here in CSS, and guys now here I'm going to write dot navbar, and guys now here I'm going to write display flex, and guys how you can see this is now like this, and guys justify content space between, and background will be, let's see the background, what will the background will be, so let's put the background crimson, and guys now you can see like this. And guys, yes, I'm going to tell you, we will not create responsive navbar because we are not learning CSS right now. We are learning NextJs. So guys, that's why we will not focus on CSS. Now here, what we have to do. Now guys, here I'm going to select dot navbar and dot logo. And guys, here we are going to put margin. Margin will be 15 here, and guys we'll see if it is. And guys now here first of all here we have to do dot navbar dot logo, and guys now here we can select HTML elements. But guys now if you're thinking you can do like this, then guys then you can't, because in NextJs you have to use, first of all you have to use class. Then guys after this navbar.logo, and guys now here over here we have to put font size, and guys the font size will be 20 pixel, and guys also the and guys also font weight will be 700, and guys this is bold, and guys you can see like this. And guys here I'm going to increase the font size to 25 pixels, and guys let's see if this is great or not. And guys you can see this is great, and guys next thing I'm going to do, change the color. So guys the color will be white, and guys now you can see like this. So guys, and also now here we have to put margin, and guys the margin will be 20 pixel, and guys now you can see this is looking fantastic. And guys also Now here we have to put more margin, and guys, so that's why I'm going to put 22 pixel, and guys, now this is great. So guys, now you can see this is great, and guys, now let's do with this. Now here I'm going to select .navbar .item, and guys, here I'm going to put margin to only 10 pixel, and guys, now here I'm going to select navbar .item, and guys, here UL, and guys, also the margin will be 10 pixel, and guys, and display will be flex, and guys, now you can see now this is flex, and guys, now this is looking amazing, and guys, now here I'm going to select .navbar .item UL and li. Now here I'm going to put the margin to 20 pixel, and guys, you can see them, and guys, now here I'm going to put only over here I'm going to put only 15 margin, and guys, also the height of this will be only 20 pixel. So sorry guys, here the height will be 80 pixel, and guys, now this is looking amazing, and guys, now here we have to deal with this, and guys, here we have to put and guys, the margin, and guys, here I'm going to remove the margin from here, and guys, I'm going to put margin right will be 20 pixel, and guys, now this is now here we have to put the margin over here only to 5 pixel, and guys, now this will be amazing. Yes guys, now this is amazing. Now guys, now here I'm going to select anchor tag .nav.item ULLIA, and guys, now here I'm going to put font size to, let's see, 16 pixel. So guys, 16 pixel is default font size, that's why I'm going to change this to 20 pixel. But now guys, you can see this thing looking amazing, and guys, now here we have to change the font weight 20 pixel. Now here font weight will be, let's see, 500, and guys, now you can see this is looking amazing, and guys, also here we have to put list style none, and guys, now you can see this, and guys, now here I'm going to put color, so the color will be white, and guys, now this is looking amazing. Now here we have done enough CSS, and guys, now you can see this much CSS, and guys, you can see, and guys, now let's learn about link components. So what is link component? First of all guys, here I'm going to create some pages, like here I have already created, about. Now here I'm going to create contact.js, and guys, here I'm going to use, and guys, here over here I'm going to use h1, and this is contact, and guys, over here you can see about, and next what we have to create, blog.js, and guys, here I'm going to use the basic syntax. Now guys, here I'm going to close this, and guys, now here I'm going to write h1 blog, and guys, now here we'll put this, and guys, now here over here I'm going to use home about contact, and guys, you can see, and next here you have to put blog, and guys, this is very simple, and guys, now here, now if you click here on this, then guys, you can see the page will refresh, and guys, you can see the page will refresh, but guys, we don't want to refresh the page. If you use React Router, then guys, the page will not refresh. So guys, like that I will do over here, but guys, in React we have to write so much line, but guys, in this we we can use that by link components. So guys, you can see you can use React Router by using link components. So guys, here over here I'm going to cut all of this, and guys now you can see this, and guys now here we have now here over here we have to write link. So guys, like this, here we have to write link, but guys here we don't have to write link outside. Here we have to write link in li. So guys, here now next here I'm going to paste all of these over here, and guys now here I'm going to use href. So guys, now here I'm going to use this, and guys now you can see page will not refresh. So guys, here I'm going to copy this from here, and guys here I'm going to paste this over here, and guys here I will put about, and guys also I will put about, and here I will put about, and guys now here I'm going to paste this over here also, and guys now here I'm going to put contact, and guys also I will write here over here contact, and guys lastly here also you have to write like this, and guys here blog, and guys next thing here we have to do, go to our website, and guys now here if you click on this, then page will not refresh. Here you can see the page will not refresh, you can see, but guys you can see also the navbar is not here over here. So guys, for that here we have to copy this navbar from over here, and guys now in underscore app.js here we have to put this over here like this, and guys in the end now here I'm going to paste the navbar over here, and guys now here I'm going to put the navbar over here. Now guys you can see this is all over the pages, and guys you can see like this: blog, home, about, contact. So guys you can see contact, blog. So guys this is all over here, but guys like this we can use our link component. So guys with link component we can use our React router. So guys we don't have to write so much code in like React. We only have that one line code, and guys this will be amazing. So guys that's why I'm telling you to use NextJs instead of React, because this will create powerful app than React, and also this will create a React app, and it will be much powerful than React. And also if you want to learn NextJs, then guys please make sure to access this playlist. So guys now that's bye bye.